Can we know if someone has viewed our Instagram note? Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you if you can view if someone has viewed your Instagram note or not. So to know if you can view it or not, watch this video till the very end. Before that, make sure that you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram app on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. For that, you must go to the Google Play Store as an Android user, or if you are an iPhone user, then you can simply go on the App Store. On the search bar, simply search for Instagram, and if you see any update option available, then do update it. And if not, then you can simply open Instagram and make sure that you have already logged into your account here. So the other thing is, if you have a business account, then you cannot upload notes on your Instagram. So make sure that it is a personal account if you want to upload note, because Instagram does not have a feature like that for your business account. Now to upload note or to see anything, just go on the message icon. On the top search bar, you can simply upload your notes like this and tap on the share option. Now you have the option for how you can share it to your followers or to the close friends only. So if you want to do that, just share it anyhow. And after sharing the Instagram notes, what you can do is you can see your Instagram notes, and if someone likes your note, then you can view who liked your note on the notification bar. But you cannot see how and how many people have viewed your Instagram note by just tapping on it, since Instagram does not have this kind of feature till now. So that's how it is. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.